Welcome to the PGYTech landing pad tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you what's included in the box and how to use and install these double nylon pads easily. Every landing pad comes with a carrying bag, 3 nails, an instruction manual, and 8 fluorescent edge stickers. You can choose your PGYTech landing pads in 3 different sizes and 2 colors, depending on the size of your aircraft. To install the pad, simply open up the carrying bag, take the pad out and let it self-unfold, making sure you have a safe distance from other people. Place the landing pad on soft ground and use the included nails to secure it in windy conditions. Install our included fluorescent stickers, peeling them from the packaging and carefully installing them one by one evenly at the edge of the surface, creating a circle. They will guide you when landing at night. To fold the landing pad back into the carrying position, first, hold the pad with 2 hands in front of you, fold it in half, cross over the 2 sides, fold back into 2 parts, and hold the tension of the material to create a circular shape. Once folded, place it back in your carrying bag and you are good to go. PGYTech landing pads make sure you always land on a clean, safe surface. Thanks for watching and safe flying!